What's up, people? I got a few good ones coming. In the meantime, let's get into it. Staten Island, New York. Cops improperly obtained a West Brighton man's jailhouse confession regarding his role in the slaying of a deli clerk. However, the defendant boasts to witnesses provided overwhelming evidence to convict him of the murder, the state's highest court ruled yesterday. The New York Court of Appeals unanimously upheld Olman Lopez's conviction in the January 22, 2002, killing of Hamoud Dabid. Dabid, 32, a clerk and married father of three, was gunned down during an attempted robbery in the former Azul Deli and Grocery Store at 1804 Richmond Terrace. Lopez has now exhausted his appeals. In January 2007, a jury in state's Supreme Court, St. George, found Lopez guilty of second-degree murder and other crimes stemming from the incident. Lopez, who turns 27 tomorrow, was sentenced to 25 years to life. A co-defendant, Jonah Alston, 27, of Brooklyn, also was convicted of murder for attempting to commit the felony robbery that caused the victim's death. Prosecutors said Alston had plotted the heist, and Lopez shot and killed Dabid. The suspects weren't arrested until early 2005, based on informant statements, according to court papers. Three separate individuals allegedly told police Lopez admitted to killing the victim. Alston told police he and Lopez had gone to rob the deli, and Lopez slayed Dabid, said court documents. Based on those accounts, a detective interviewed Lopez in a Pennsylvania jail where he was being held on a drug charge. Lopez, after waiving his rights to a lawyer, allegedly signed a statement saying he had participated in the robbery, but that Alston had shot Dabid. Afterward, Lopez told a fellow inmate he shot the victim and had lied to the detective because he planned to use his sister as an alibi witness, court records said. Lopez argued that his confession to police was improperly obtained and his case should be retried. The detective shouldn't have interviewed him, he contended, because he had legal representation. Namely, a lawyer in the Pennsylvania case. The Appellate Division, 2nd Department, affirmed the conviction in 2009, finding the statement was valid because the detective didn't know Lopez had an attorney for the drug case and never quizzed the defendant about that matter. The High Court, however, sided with Lopez on the statement's inadmissibility. In writing for the court, Judge Victoria A. Graffio noted, violating a defendant's right to counsel during an interview doesn't automatically overturn his conviction. Lopez confessed to the murder to three witnesses not involved in the crime, plus an inmate, said the judge. In addition, the information the witnesses provided was corroborated by other trial evidence, including the medical examiner's report and ballistics. That evidence trumped Lopez's confession to cops, in which he pointed the finger at Alston. District Attorney Daniel Donovan said yesterday, "I hope Lopez spends the next 20 or so years contemplating the horrific crime he committed rather than how he was supposedly cheated by the legal system." Lopez's lawyer, Svetlana M. Kornfind, said yesterday the ruling in a broad sense represents a victory for the law, although it doesn't help her client in this instance. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.